Second seven-seater of the day is this beautiful 2023 23 registration Land Rover Discovery D300 R-Dynamic SE in Eiger Grey with only 15,000 miles on. This car, like I said, is a 2023, which means it has the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty till 2026. Now again, we do our research all the time because when we present cars to you, we want to make sure that they've got the best specification with a nice low mileage on, and little things that point out to me are things like this. This car's got the 22-inch alloy wheels. A lot of the Discovery D300 R-Dynamic S's that I've seen available haven't got the upgraded wheels. They make a massive difference the way it looks, resale value. If you're going to buy something, you want it to look nice and easy on the eye, and that does this. You've then got the black styling package. That's the badges, the grills, the inserts. The R-Dynamic starts here really with the fins on the corner of the bumpers. Front rear parking sensor standard, 360 camera sensor standard, the LED DRL standard, and you've got LED headlights. You've then got air suspension. Once again, the 22-inch alloy wheels. If you stand back, you'll see what I mean, the difference it makes. Have a look at this picture and this video, and then look at another one they've been looking at with the 21s, and you see what I mean. Chalk and cheese, two completely different cars just because of the wheels. You've then got the full arch kit finished in gloss black, mud flaps front and rear, and you have the fixed side steps. You then got the window deflectors here, roof rails finished in black, sun protection glass, and then the R-Dynamic SEs do not come with sliding panoramic roof. This car has got it, and it's also got a detachable tow bar, which is really good, especially with the D300. You've then got the two-tone leather interior, perforated leather seats, electric memory seats, touchscreen media system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, full multifunction steering wheel with a key feature which is adaptive cruise control. You've got cubbyhole space everywhere with the condition of the seats, the door cards, the top dash, Meridian sound system. This car has been very, very well looked after. Condition's key for me. When I'm buying anything in life, I want it to be looked after, so when I'm then going to take possession of it, I'll do the same. And you can just see this one from the back of the seats and the actual seats themselves, and the carpet area hasn't been smoked in. The car comes with 2 keys. It also does have a ghost immobiliser. If that is beneficial to you, then brilliant. Rooftop spoiler, LED rear lighting system, automatic tailgate, and I think we all know that a big Discovery like this particular one, as it isn't the Discovery Sport, they all come in the 7 seats configuration. So these seats are flat down there at the minute. You just literally lift them up, ready to use. They are individual seats, and the Discovery being a very big SUV, them seats are fully designed for adults to sit in, which is perfect. There's more cubbyhole space up here with cup holders and USCs, and then you have the tonneau cover to hide all your valuables. Every single passenger gets a 3-point seat belt. This comes down electronically. Press the button, off you go. Bodywork, wheels, everything is in the right order. The car drives nice, it looks nice, it gives you great returns on the miles per gallon. The driver's seat, very, very important. If you don't buy a car from me, no problem. If you're going to buy a car elsewhere, look at this bottom section of the upholstery here. If that's all cracked and creased and the foam's completely collapsed, the car's questionable. There you go, a little bit of tip from Joe. You then got paddle shift. All this is illuminated, digital dash just behind there, the 360 camera system on the media screen, and you press this button and behind there you have hidden compartment that I've just shown everyone. Wireless charging pad, more USB, there's your 2 keys, and if you slide this compartment forwards again, there's more cubbyhole space underneath. Centre armrest, more cubbyhole space. This is mind-blowing. 15,000 miles, 2023, 23 registration, R-Dynamic SE D300. With a 2-tone leather and the Eiger Grey on the exterior. Doesn't get much better. My name is Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.